k-1, we're going to find the sum of the given series here. And our goal is going to be to get all of these, before we start, to all look like this one. These two right here are different, so we're going to rewrite those. And that's the first step. So for the first step, we're going to write this summation here as the sum from k equals 1 to 100. I'm going to go ahead and expand this. This is k squared minus 4k plus 4. All right. Now, this is the one we're going to change. So what we're doing is we're looking at this one. Let's see. This one right here. Those two 4s are kind of confusing. All right, so for that, we're going to write minus, and we want to start from k equals 1, but go to 100. And we have a 4 here. So since we're not, we're losing a 4, because remember, if you go from k to 1, that's 4 plus 4 plus 4, 101 times. But if we take away 1, we're going to have to add 1 here. All right, and that's this whole thing here. All right, and then the next one, we're just going to go ahead and use the sum from k equals 1. And I'm going to go ahead and move this 4 inside here, the constant. Now for this one, we're going to write this as minus the sum. We want k equals 1 to 101 to 100. So we're losing 1 basically. So this is just because of this k minus 1, that's just going to leave this to be k squared. All right. Now that you have that, let's look and see what we can do. Let's write all of this together. So we're going to have the sum of k equals 1 to 100. We're going to have k squared minus 4k plus 4 minus 4. Now, just so you know, this right here is not the sum of k equals 1 to 100 of 4 plus 4. It's not like that. It's like this, and then we're adding this 4. So for now, I'm just going to take this 4 here, and then take this one plus 4k, and then minus k squared. All right, so that's that piece. This 4 here is all by itself. It doesn't have a summation. So there's a negative in front here, so we're going to do minus 4 here. All right, so all we're going to do is look at this inner part here. So this goes, this cancels out, this cancels out, and these cancel out. So this whole thing is 0. So when you look at it, what we do have is we have the sum from k equals 1 to 100 of 0. So that's that part. And then we have minus 4. Now this one, this just tells you to write down 0 100 times. Just keep adding 0 100 times, and that's going to give you 0. So that's going to be 0 times 100. And then you have this tag-along guy, minus 4. So this is going to end up being 0 minus 4, which equals negative 4. And that's your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.